I am now in my 60s and I am strong and energized. And one of the reasons is because of my diet, including healthy snacks. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel where I am sharing with you some of the recipes that I eat to keep me looking and feeling years younger than my 60 plus years of age. And today, you guys, it happens to be a 1, 2, 3 ingredient dark chocolate almond recipe. And another thing that I like to keep my recipes at these days is simple. All right. It's got to be delicious, but it also has got to come together really, really quickly because that is just where I am in life these days. And you guys, you already know when you reach a certain age, simple is what you want it to be. So you guys, this recipe fits the bill. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple, it's nutrient rich. And as a matter of fact, okay, check out my description, okay, for all of the health benefits of the ingredients that I'm using in this recipe. Almonds, dark chocolate, which is 70% and above, cocoa, I happen to have 85%, and some polyphenol-rich extra virgin olive oil. So without further ado, you guys, come in close and let's put these chocolate covered almonds together. That come together in what, about 5 minutes. All right, let's melt some chocolate. So I've got some chocolate bars here. I'm gonna break them into smaller pieces to help the melting process along. Okay, now that we have our chocolate, let's add in some olive oil. You can also add in some butter and also some coconut oil. And what that will do is that will help this chocolate melt and become a lot easier to work with and a lot creamier. And off to the microwave this goes. 20-second increments until this is smooth and creamy. Okay, this is ready. And you guys, trust, please do not forgo your olive oil, your butter, or your coconut oil. This makes such a difference when melting this chocolate. It's smooth, it's creamy, and I just feel like it just helps it melt a lot better. Okay, so at this point, you guys, add those nuts in. Coat them. Just like this. And now that they're coated, next thing that we need to do is to put them on a parchment lined sheet. Just take them and spread them out. Just so they're separated because they're going to harden. I want them to harden separately and not clump together. All right, the last one. Okay. All right, I'm gonna set this aside because I will be using this for some more almonds. So at this point, you guys, what you can do is you can sprinkle some sea salt on top of these. These happen to already been salted with some sea salt. I purchased almonds that way. So all I need to do is put them in the fridge for a few minutes to set and harden. And you guys, these will be ready to serve. And these are ready. About 5 minutes later, these have hardened and they are ready to separate from the parchment. Put them in a storage container. Take them along with you for your at-work snack, or like my husband and I are going to the movies today. I'm gonna pack up some of these, put them in my purse, and we are snack happy ready. Snacking can be healthy and delicious, and with this recipe, we also proved that it can be, so simple. If you enjoy this recipe, please do remember to give it a like, give it a share. And if you are enjoying the content that I am bringing you here on this channel, please also remember to subscribe to my channel. It will help the growth of my channel tremendously, and I definitely appreciate it. So you guys, there it is. Please do leave in the comments. Let me know how you feel about it. And if you want to continue to see more recipes such as this, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. Thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special, and enjoy.